I'm Tom Merritt for TechRepublic. Here are 5 open source license trends. Everybody has a favorite database project. Well, most of you do anyway, and if you do, you feel protective about what people can and cannot do with it. That usually comes down to the open source license. And man, licenses can get people's backs up. So it's good to know where things are headed when you're picking a license for a project or just trying to understand what's out there. Thankfully, the folks at WhiteSource do a deep dive each year to let us know what's happening with all the open source packages and files in their database. So, here are 5 trends to know about open source licenses. Number 1, permissive licenses are on the rise. In 2012, 59% of components licenses were copyleft and 41% permissive. In 2019, that has fully swung the other way, with 67% of components having permissive licenses and 33% copyleft. Permissive licenses have fewer restrictions on how others can use the components. Coming in at number 2, MIT was the most popular license in 2019 at 27%. The MIT license lets folks do almost anything they want with the code as long as they attribute it and don't hold you liable. Up to number 3, Apache 2.0 jumped over GPL 3.0 in 2017 to number 2, and it's still there with 23%. It gives you patent rights while allowing modifications and distribution of larger works under different terms and without source code. Sliding into number 4, the GPL licenses keep declining. Once the most undisputed popular license, only GPL v2 stayed steady at 10% from 2018 to 2019. LGPL v2.1 fell from 6 to 5%, and GPL version 3 dropped from 16% to 13%. Every project using GPL code must also use a GPL license to release its source code, so some people find it too restricting. At number 5, no new licenses made the list in 2019, but lots of organizations, especially cloud projects, are experimenting with new licenses, so it's only a matter of time before we see a new open source license developed and gain some traction. The more things change, the more they really changed. I know people who used to think the Apache license was evil, and I'm very curious if something that is neither copyleft nor permissive arises. Stay tuned for that. Hey, there's more where that came from too. Check out our other videos and articles at techrepublic.com. I'll see you there.